Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and I have another fall DIY for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful succulent pumpkins with items that you can get at your local Dollar Tree. Now I know you've seen these carvable pumpkins at your Dollar Tree, and I actually had several from last year. This one was an unfinished project from the year before, and I just basically took my husband's drywall knife and carved the top of it out. I took a little square of sandpaper and I just basically smoothed out those rough edges. I even decided to go ahead and smooth out some of the painting that I had done prior. And then I decided to take my chalked Rust-Oleum paint in linen white that I have used over and over again to give it a nice fresh coat. Now once I was done, I took some of that floral foam from Dollar Tree and I carved it out to fit into the space. I made sure to go ahead and secure everything with some hot glue. I had these little succulents from Dollar Tree and one from Michael's, and I just basically took them out of their little pots. But before actually putting them on the pumpkin, I went ahead and added floral moss all over the top of the pumpkin with some hot glue. Once I got the right look, I went ahead and just started adding these succulents right into the styrofoam. I made a few little adjustments to the floral moss, and then I just cleaned off all the excess hot glue and it was done. Now, if you don't want to carve a pumpkin, or if you have a smaller pumpkin like this pick that I got from last year's clearance sale from Hobby Lobby, you can totally do it, and this is how I did it. I removed the pick and stems from these pumpkins in order to paint them. You can totally leave them the way it is, but you know, I like the nice neutral colors this year, so I decided to go ahead and paint them white. And then I actually added these stems back so it was a little bit easier for me to hold while I was painting. And then, as oftentimes happens, I decided to change the color of the middle pumpkin and painted it gray. I had some more succulents from a Dollar Tree, and I even had these ones from Michael's that came in these little pots. Right now they're having an 80% off sale, and I got these for like 80 cents. And hopefully I'll get to use those little pots as well. And then you just hot glue the floral moss right on top of the pumpkin. Then you basically cut the stem off the succulent to fit your pumpkin, and you can either stick it in the hole that was used for the stem, or if you need to make it a little larger, just get something sharp and make the little hole bigger. But that's basically all you do, and just glue the little stem down. And that's it. That's how you make these beautiful little succulent pumpkins. If you enjoyed this inexpensive fall DIY, make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing so you can get more inspiration like this. Oh, and if you like this cute little buffalo check tray that I made for these pumpkins, stay tuned because I will be showing you how to do that next. I'll make sure to add more fall videos below, that way you guys can keep watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!